What's up, you guys? Today is Sunday and this is my first vlog I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I go skateboarding at a couple different spots. Supposed to meet up with my nephew. We're gonna go get breakfast and then we're gonna cruise on down to Houston. I'm gonna meet my boy Parker. I got introduced to him by a dude named Timo out in California. I'm gonna leave both of their YouTube accounts down in the link below. So go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let's go. What's up, dog? You ready to skate?
Yeah, bro.
Say hi to YouTube, boy.
What up, YouTube?
Yes, sir. All right, guys, I just picked up my nephew. We're about to go cruise and grab some food, and then we head out to Houston. Guys, we just pulled up to the skate park, Lee and Joe Jamel skate park here in Houston, Texas. I'm with my nephew, Zach. Zach! Say hi! We're about to meet up with Parker and film a couple tricks. See you guys in a second. All right, look who just showed up. First time meeting the homie.
What up?
What's up? How you doing?
How's it going? Good.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Quick commentary here with Zachariah Johnson. What do you think, Zach?
These guys are pretty seen some cool shit. That dude just did a I don't even know what it was. Knows the coping. I don't know.
You heard it live, folks. I think that's gonna be it for the skate park. It's getting too hot. It's super humid out here. Not used to the heat. Usually skate California, but for a while I've been skating Florida and Texas. It's way too hot out here for me. So I think we're gonna go to Beantooth Skate Shop here in Houston, Texas. I met the owner earlier, so I'm gonna go by and get a little video of his shop. Stay tuned. We're back. All right, so right now we're here at the Beantooth Skate Shop in Houston, Texas. I met the owner, Josh, at the skate park. He was super nice, super cool. He invited me to come over to a skate shop and check it out. So I'm gonna give a couple shots of the drone in the area. You can see where it's at. And then right after that, we are gonna walk around the inside of the shop, and he has a mini ramp here too, so I'll get some footage of that and show you guys. I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description below. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the mini ramp they got. They're working on it. It's not done yet, but it looks super fun. Let me see if I can see how big it is. Comparison next to me. Let's start about here. I'm like 6 foot 6'1". This looks super fun. Can't wait till it's up so I can skate it. All right, everybody, we're here with Josh. He's the owner of Beantooth Skate Shop and Gallery here in Houston, Texas. I'm gonna let him go ahead and describe a little bit about what he's doing here at the shop and what sets him apart from other shops in the area.
Well, we work with new, used, and refurbish. We make, we repaint, redo trucks. We bring in stuff, donate, or we give you store credit and we refurbish that for everybody that needs to work on a budget or, you know, just doesn't have it. So we'll get you rolling no matter what. You know, just tell us what you need and we'll come in and we'll hook you up.
And what's the address?
4201 Navigation.
Hey, I tell everybody, I recommend you come over here. This dude's super cool. He's trying to keep the skate scene alive. A lot of shops want to charge you an arm and a leg for a board. This dude's hooking it up. He's getting everybody's old stuff that nobody skates, and he's trying to get everybody on a board. Remember, one more kid on a skateboard is one less kid on a scooter. So come on down and support this dude so we can keep it happening. All right, everybody, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you can leave a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to let the homie Parker take over and give out his info.
Yeah, just type in Parker Thompson on YouTube. Should pull right up. And yeah, learn how to make some money and whatever other shenanigans that we come up about. We always film everything and post it, so.
That's right. All right, you guys. We'll see you later. Peace.